How to apply for a Woolworths job in Australia. I'm going to tell you how to apply for a job at Woolworths in Australia. First, go to Woolworths Careers website by searching for Woolworths Jobs Australia on Google or visiting www.wowcareers.com.au. Click on Jobs and use the search bar to find roles based on location and position type. Once you find the job that suits you, click on it and select Apply. You'll need to create an account or log in, then fill out the online application with your details, resume, and any required documents. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for updates about interviews or next steps. That's it. That's how you apply for a Woolworths job in Australia.